Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can wipe a laptop clean and start over. It's quite easy and you can follow the same process either you have Windows 10 or Windows 11. Very first thing you need to do is to just hit right click on the start button. You're gonna see the option for settings, so just open that up, then head over to system, and just right here we need to scroll a bit to see the option recovery. So open recovery, and just right here this is the option we have, reset this PC, and we're gonna use this option in order to clean the laptop and start over. Just in case if you're not able to see this option, rather you can just in the search bar type reset PC, click on this, and yeah, this is the same option we have. So click on reset PC. Once you do that, you have two options. Either you can keep your files or remove everything. Since we wanna clean the laptop completely, that's why we're gonna select the option remove everything, but keep in mind that they're gonna delete all of your personal files completely. If you're sure about that, just select the option, and once you do that, you will see the pop-up like how would you like to reinstall Windows. So it's up to you. Either you can go for cloud download or local reinstall. Generally people prefer this one, local reinstall, but again it's up to you. Now after you choose one of the option, you're gonna see that the process of resetting laptop has started, and once the process is done, you're gonna see that the laptop has been successfully cleaned and you can start over. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.